How's the day going? Tell me about the weather as usual. It's very, very hot in my part of the world. Yes, it's
Um,
25 degrees Celsius, but I think it's even hotter because actually it shows 29 or something.
now we have a good weather, but
Now we have good weather. We don't say a because weather is an
yes,
abstract noun, uncountable.
yes, good weather. But I just woke up.
You just woke up, really? It's
Yes,
1 p.m.
yes. No, I have breakfast and
I had
I
breakfast,
had I had breakfast and that's all.
and I hope you really woke up, yeah, because we have to work
Yes,
hard.
yes,
Because
I
in
really
this
woke up.
lesson we'll be working very hard indeed. Now tell me what we did in our previous lesson. Try to remember.
Um, okay, we uh, the last lesson we created AWC, or it will
No, it was two
it
lessons
was
ago.
two lessons. Okay, we worked with net. We connect my Ubuntu server
Connected.
connected. Sorry,
Hmm.
connected my Ubuntu server and my Windows with one router, and I uh, sent. Sent,
Send.
sent a file uh, on Ubuntu to Windows.
To Ubuntu from Windows.
To Ubuntu from Windows.
And we did
Yes,
it with bridged connection, right?
yes, we did it with Bridged.
Hmm.
Yes, and um, what we did?
What else did we do? Okay, let's have a look at the
We
plan. So
resume
this
here.
is, it was the plan for our previous lesson, yeah, but yeah, I deleted actually. It was like net, yeah, and but we didn't have time for net. And this is the plan for today's lesson. Let's read in English. Did
Mm.
you switch your laptop to English? Did you change to English? You forgot. Okay,
A
let's
little.
read. Mhm.
Так, the first. Maybe you want
Ah, yes,
share.
I'm not sharing my screen. I always forget.
Hmm.
Okay, let's read.
A minute.
Hmm.
I see black. Okay,
Hmm.
yes. First, we will create, move, and remove a file with and without bash.
Hmm.
Uh,
Next,
bash is
will.
like
What is bash?
uh, it's like s- script, что-то такое.
Script.
Не?
Bash is a scripting language. What's the difference between programming languages and scripting languages? How do you understand the difference?
No, scripting, it's not coding.
A script is a very short program, right?
It's like instruction.
Yes, script.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Second, forward a port in
Forward.
net.
Will forward a
For
port in NAT.
port in net.
Hmm.
Sort move a file view
Via,
net
via, or via, or via
via net.
NAT.
What is it
And
via?
through.
Through
Through.
net. Mm-hmm. Okay.
Okay. And if we have
Uh,
time, we'll do this.
we will create Django project
Yes,
Python.
we have worked with Django projects before. Yeah, and we'll be working with Django projects with Django projects very, very often in the future, and will be paying a lot of attention or give a lot of importance to Python. Yeah, because Python is, I think, as I see it, and I'm definitely sure, actually, yeah, that I'm sure that I'm right, that Python is displacing all other languages.
Mm-hmm.
So Python and JavaScript, Python, JavaScript. Okay, now we'll see the commands for today's lesson. Touch, remove, rm, yeah. We haven't worked with mv. Do you know what this is? What kind of command
Yes.
is it? Move. Yeah, it's move. It's when we move a file from one folder to another. Yes, we'll work with this today. It's when we create folders that contain something, not empty folders. Yeah, we need to like remove, and F stands for force. Yeah, we work with this one. Yeah, port, this is what we'll be doing today, and Django, if we have time, and I think we will have time for this. We will use all these commands. So now tell me one more time, what is rule number 1 for any IT specialist? Never learn
You learn all commands
by heart. Yeah,
by
because
heart.
yes, we can do this, but it's absolutely not necessary or unnecessary. Okay, now I will allow you to share your screen with me,
Mm-hmm.
and you will start working.
Okay.
Yes, now you can share.
Mm-hmm. Do you see my screen?
Mm-hmm. Let's start working with graphic user interface today. So launch your desktop, Ubuntu desktop.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Mm-hmm. So first we'll create, move, and remove files with bash. And then we'll change to NAT, and let's check if it's NAT or breached right now.
Okay, 1 minute. Yeah, in the settings, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
I open network.
Is
Breached.
breached. Yeah, okay. Let it be breached for now.
I don't see my mouse.
What's happening? Why is it stuck?
No, maybe when I open settings.
What happened?
1 minute. Okay.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
I can't
Why?
touch. No.
Okay, close this VirtualBox. Close everything. Finish everything. Click OK. Mm-hmm. Yeah, close everything and do it one more time. Oh no. Please, not
Oh.
now. Just not now. Okay. And next time you want to change something in the settings, don't do it here.
Mm-hmm.
Where do we have to do it? Not
What?
here. Where, if next time you want to change the settings, you don't do it here. Where?
Oh, yes, I must close it,
No, no,
and after
no. Do
that,
it. No, not here, not here.
okay.
Scroll down.
And
No, no. Where do you change the network? Where? Where do you do it?
no,
Not here. Yes, here.
this,
Yes, here, settings. Yeah. Only here, not there.
yes.
So okay, let's not change anything for now. Don't do anything, just close it. Show the viewers Ubuntu operating system. Go inside. Just no, it's terminal. Show, because some people may have never seen Ubuntu operating system before. Just go inside. Show graphic user interface. Show folders. Where are folders here? Where are our
Mm,
folders here? Yeah, files and everything. Yes.
yes,
Mm-hmm.
yes, I have
So, and
folders.
actually, what's the biggest difference between Windows and Ubuntu?
No, Ubuntu,
Windows is paid, and Ubuntu is free.
yes, and Ubuntu it's simple for programming.
hmm Okay, let's work. Open your terminal, and let's see the contents. ls. What do we have here? Let's create a folder, or let's work in lesson today. cd, go inside lesson, the lesson folder. Let's see the contents. Let's delete everything. Do you know how to remove files? Yes, and do you know how to remove two files at the same time?
Remove all. I don't know.
No, remove space, and first type nastya.docx, and then space and test, and you will remove two files simultaneously. ls to c to check.
Yes,
Okay, now let's work with bash. First, we need to create a bash file. What extensions do bash files have? sh.
like usage.
Let's create with touch.
Ouch.
And
Test.
nastya.sh. Open with
Mm.
nano, right?
Mm-hmm.
How do we show that this is a bash file? Here it's hash, exclamation mark. What is hash?
I don't know.
Did you watch our first videos?
No.
Hash. You should watch, because I have watched, yeah, I always watch them. Why do you never watch our videos? Is
1 hour.
it not
It's
interesting? But if you don't
it's
watch your
interesting,
own
but
videos, do you
I
think
I
other
did it.
people will watch our videos if you don't watch your own videos? I
I
don't
did
think.
I did it in the lesson.
Okay, but you should watch,
Hash.
right?
What is one of
Still
hash?
you
It's like
should
hash is
hash.
this.
This is exclamation
Ah,
mark
hash.
hash.
This.
Exclamation mark. Exclamation mark. Yes. Forward slash. Bin. Forward slash. Bash. You should bash. It's not BACH. You should take our lessons a lot more seriously, way more seriously. You should take your life more seriously. Yeah, you need to have a lot more serious approach or attitude to your future career, because what we are doing right now actually costs so much money. You have no idea how much money you would pay for these courses if they were in English. Can you imagine how much?
Yes.
Therefore, you need to watch our videos and know that we have posted before. Okay, enter. And this is not a group lesson, yeah? These are not group lessons, they are individual lessons. And we speak in English. Okay, how do we create a file on Ubuntu?
Nano or touch.
Yes, let's do this. Touch,
Uh-huh.
type touch. And now let's create a file, any file.
Test.
Yeah, maybe test. And
Message.
any extension, no, not sh, any extension. Py, for example, py, a Python file, yes, why not? What extension do JavaScript files have?
JC.
JS.
J.
Yes, what do we do now? How do we save?
Control O.
Control, it's not control, it's control. O, enter,
Control
control
O.
X,
Cancel.
yeah.
Control X.
And do you understand why we did it?
Uh,
We can create a file directly here, yeah? Or we can write a script and we can run that script and the file will be created. Understand how it works?
mm-hmm.
Really? Okay, let's do this. Bash.
Mesh test. Yes. Test PY.
No, ls. Delete everything and let's see the contents. What do we have here? So we worked, yeah, in this file, right? So we wrote a script inside this bash file. And now we need to execute this file. And
Bash.
and after we execute this file, what we did there, yeah, it will happen. So it will create a file with touch. Understand?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, bash. sh. Okay, now let's see if the file was created or has been created.
With Nano.
No. How do we see the contents of the file, of the folder? See?
Oh, yes.
And now let's do the same. You forget.
Bash is like run. Run.
Bash is a scripting language. It's like Python. Python, for
No, it's same
example,
style.
when you want to run a Python file, you type Python, yeah, and you execute the Python file. If you want to execute a bash file, you type bash and you execute that file.
Mm-hmm.
You forget. You always forget.
No.
No?
No.
Okay, now let's remove this file with bash. No.
Move.
Yes, we can do, okay, let's try. No, but let's write a script inside Nastya.sh file. Yes, and now replace touch, now remove, right?
Mm-hmm. Make
And
this,
now,
yes.
yes, and do you think it will work? So, and what do you think this file will do if we run it? It will,
I can't see this.
after when you run this bash file, what will it do?
No, file will be
Removed. Okay,
remove.
let's try. Mm-hmm. ls. See, no
Mm-hmm.
file. This is why we need bash. Future DevOps engineers, yeah, you are a future DevOps engineer, and DevOps engineers work with bash very often. Now they work like 50-50, bash and Python. Bash, Python. Okay, now let's create one more folder with bash. Or maybe let's create one more folder. Let's go one step back. How do we go one step back?
No, should cd dot dot.
Mm-hmm. ls.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, and now let's create one more folder here, lesson 2. Folder, how do we create folders? It's a file. Touch is, we create files like this. Directory, how do we create a folder or directory?
No, mkdir.
Mm-hmm.
Mkdir lesson
2.
2.
Mm-hmm. Let's see, let's check. Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm. cd lesson
2.
2.
Mm-hmm.
Так.
Let's
And
create a file
open
here in lesson 2 with bash.
touch,
You are creating a
touch.
file without bash. Okay, let's do it without bash first. Touch and any file. Mm-hmm. Yeah, py. Oh yes, not
Right?
not sh. Txt text file. Mm-hmm. Let's see ls.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, and now how do we move files? Do you know how we move files?
Так.
Yes, and let's move this file from lesson 2 folder to lesson folder to the lesson folder. Do you know how we do this? You need to specify the whole path. What is whole?
All pass.
Yeah, the whole
Whole.
path. So first you specify the path, the whole path of the file which you move, or the whole path to the file that you move, to the folder where you need to move it. Understand?
Mm-hmm.
Let's do this.
And can I
First,
see all
yeah,
pass?
first delete mv. How do we see the whole path? There is a command for that. wd. Mm-hmm. Copy the whole path.
Or maybe I can't copy.
Yeah,
Oh, no, I can't.
it's not Windows. You can do it
Yes.
with the mouse. Yeah, and move. mv.
Mm-hmm. Так, MB.
Yeah, space. And now the name of the file that you want to move.
Mm-hmm. Ah, let's,
No, the file that we
oh, okay.
created. No, it's not here. Where is this file? The path to this file.
No, this is a pass and
The file that we created is inside lesson 2 folder.
yes. Ah,
And let's move this file. Yes. Text underscore 2 txt. And now we need to show where we need to move this file. And let's move this file to the lesson folder.
mm-hmm. Okay.
You need to specify the whole path one more time. Yeah, and replace. Yeah, and don't do anything. So tell the viewers what we're doing.
we move file text to txt from no on
Two.
to folder lesson 2 from lesson from folder lesson.
To folder lesson. To the folder
Yes,
lesson.
it's a folder lesson,
So, and
and
we
we
specified the
type.
whole path. Yeah.
Yes, we type and we type
Mm-hmm.
all paths when we have this file,
Uh-huh.
and after that type the path uh, when we will move this file.
Okay, let's try and see if it works.
Wait, where we
Mm-hmm.
will? Yes,
Let's do this.
can maybe I have
No such file or directory.
text to txt. Конечно, test to txt, not text. A minute.
Mm-hmm.
Paste. Uh, так, just. Mm.
Now let's check if it was moved. Mm-hmm.
Mhm,
See, it was moved. We moved
mhm,
the file. Now let's do it with bash, but first let's create another file in the lesson 2 folder, and let's move this file by executing a bash file.
mhm. Bash. Oh, bash test 3. Oh,
Mm, How do we create a file, a bash file? Bash files have the extension sh.
ah,
Let,
touch.
let's create any bash file. We can give it any name you like. Mm-hmm. Let's work inside this bash file. What do
Mm-hmm.
we do?
Type
Hash.
hash.
Mm-hmm.
Hash. Inc- как
Remember,
называется?
remember. Exclamation mark.
Question mark.
Forward
Bin.
slash.
Yes. Forward slash.
Bin.
Bin.
One more.
Bash.
And bash. Mm-hmm. And now let's move this file from lesson 2 folder to the lesson folder. Yeah.
Move.
Specify
Uh,
the whole path, the entire way, yeah, to your file.
like okay. It's like home Nastya.
Mm-hmm.
Lesson two.
Yes, and
uh,
did you
Lesson
create
two.
a file there that you want to
And
move?
lesson two.
You didn't create any file. Yeah, we cannot move anything because you haven't created a file. Or did you create a file? Okay,
What
first,
file?
first let's create a file here with bash inside this folder.
Okay.
Touch.
Tab.
Mm-hmm.
Touch.
Mm-hmm.
Uh,
Nastya and two something. Yeah. Mm-hmm. No, txt files.
xt.
Yeah, let's save and run.
All LX and bash.
Mm-hmm.
Bash. Just three. Sage.
ls.
LS.
Yeah, it was
Yes.
created. And now let's move this Nastya underscore 2.txt file to your lesson folder with bash. Yes, we can do it
Okay.
here, but we can also run a script. First, we need to write a script and then run it. No, sh. Replace.
Mm-hmm.
One space. Mhm.
Move. Oh, yes.
Specify the whole path.
Text 3. Sh.
Why? You need to move Nastya to txt from folder lesson, from lesson 2 folder to lesson folder.
No, like this.
So first we created a file by running a script. Now we move this file by running a script. Understand?
And yes.
You have two MVs in a row. Okay. So, and yes, this is the path to the file that you want to move. Now you need to show where you want to move it. Yeah, great. Actually, you are
Next.
doing great because other people have no idea how to do this at all. Yes,
Yes. And
and
this. Oh, but without slash, yes.
okay, let's try. Let's try. Control O to save.
Mm,
Now let's run this file.
bash. Bash. Test 3
Bash
sage.
file, yes.
Test 3 sage.
Now let's see
Let's.
if the file has been moved to the lesson folder.
Mm,
cd into lesson.
master 2 txt.
Yeah, it has been moved. Yeah.
Yes.
So now tell me one more time about the difference between bash scripting, yeah, and doing it directly in the terminal. How do you understand
With
this?
if you want to do it with bash, you must create
A script.
a script.
Yeah.
Yes.
First, you need to create a
Type
bash file, and then
yes bash file, and in this file you type like instruction script. For example, remove a file, and after that you save this file and run this file with bash and name file. Yes, and bash
with the name
just
of the file.
yes with the name of the file, and that's all.
Mm-hmm. Great, you understand. Now let's change from the breached connection to NAT.
In the settings, yeah.
Yeah. And
Net.
tell me one more time about the difference between NAT and breached.
Net breached. It was when your devices connect with one router.
Nastya,
And
learn to use passive voice. Is connected. To be
connect,
connected. Is
connect.
connected. Are connected. Is done. Are
Uh,
done. Were done. Was done. Has been done. Have been done. Okay, will be done.
yes,
Okay.
connected with one router. And net we use when our device is not connected with one route,
Mm-hmm.
connected with one router, and for example, разных
Different.
different router. We use net,
Mm-hmm.
and we use port for for our, ну, каждому девайсу,
to each device.
to each device, yes. And
So
that's all.
first we need to open a port on our router, right?
Mm-hmm.
And then we need to specify in the settings of our router, yeah, to which we can create a lot of different entries, yeah, and we can write different instructions, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, now let's SSH from your host machine, from your Windows machine, inside your virtual Ubuntu desktop machine. Mm-hmm. How?
Uh,
So
we can
right
create.
now that it's NAT, we need to open a port. Yeah. If it was a real life situation, we would do what? We would type ipconfig and do it right now. Type ipconfig. You are doing this in Russian or in Ukrainian. What is default
Mm.
gateway?
It's like local.
Is the IP address of your router. Let's do it right now. Let's go inside your router right now. Copy default gateway. Open your browser. Do you know your password
It's password from.
to your router? Do you know how to work with routers? Is it even interesting for you? Do you know how to work with them?
No, I know, but I
Do you
can't.
know the password?
Maybe yes. 1 minute. Yeah, I
You
don't
haven't
remember.
even tried to enter your router after our lessons.
What?
You didn't even try to enter your router after our lessons.
No.
It wasn't even interesting for you.
It's interesting, but I remember.
Okay, let's go 5G inside 5G. Or what do we, because we all have different
Ah,
routers. Let's, yeah, and once again, everything is in Ukrainian, Russian, Ukrainian. You know, you need to switch everywhere to English. Okay, and how do we change? How do we, for example, you want someone, yeah, to SSH into your laptop. You contacted your internet service provider and asked them to give you a real static IP address, public IP address. How do you forward a port here? Do you know how to do this here? I
how
think
to create port?
advanced settings. I think advanced. I think
Maybe this.
yes, because I maybe додатково, maybe advanced. Yeah, because I don't speak Ukrainian. I don't speak IT Ukrainian. I speak IT English.
Maybe
Yes,
this. At
maybe this one.
root.
Yes. Protocol is yeah. Yeah, внутрішня адреса. Yeah. Switch everywhere to English. English. Surround yourself only with English. Forget about Ukrainian. Forget about Russian. Forget about other languages. Okay, that's enough. Now you know, right, how to enter your router.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Oh, see? This
Mm-hmm.
is what we have here. External port, internal port, the IP address, the private IP address. Yeah. Uh, yes. Okay. Let's leave this page. Let's leave the settings of your router. And actually now with this knowledge you can already start working as a system administrator. Do you know that?
Mm-hmm.
Yes. You can now start working as a system administrator. Repeat after me.
Now I can work system
As a
administrator.
system administrator with this knowledge, yeah. But you need to take our lessons a lot more seriously. Please watch them. Try to work on your own. Okay, now let's SSH into your Ubuntu machine. Do you think we'll be able to do this now that we have NAT without opening a port?
No.
Yeah, so first we need to open a port. Not here in the settings.
Yes. Settings, network.
Yeah, port forwarding.
Так, port.
No,
But
port forwarding.
this?
No. Do you see port forwarding? No?
No.
I see.
Hmm.
Click on it.
I don't see.
Virtual cable connected and below port forwarding.
Ah,
Click on plus. You can give any name, SSH for example. Host port, and it will be similar to the external port of your router. No, not host IP, host port.
oi.
And you can create any port, any number, or maybe 100 will, okay, 2 4s, yeah. And guest port is SSH
14,
listens on port number
22.
22, right? Okay. And everything is in Ukrainian. Okay. So what do we do now here? First, let's check. Let's check if it was switched to breached. Ubuntu desktop. No. Ubuntu desktop.
Ah,
Yeah, and IP address. No, it's still breached. Do you see this? 192? Yeah, it means that it's still breached. It's not NAT. If it was not NAT, it would be 10 something. Okay, restart. Okay, maybe. Or restart your virtual machine, maybe. Reset it, yeah.
and show yes, maybe.
No, maybe
No.
show. Just click on it. Okay, now let's see if it was changed to NAT. Now it should be 10 or something. Maybe not 10, but
Ah,
yeah, see? 10. Okay, now let's SSH. You know the
let's
number of the port.
I type
You
10.
forwarded a port. Yeah, 4 4s. Yeah. Now you need to type here what? If it was a real life situation and you wanted to SSH into my laptop, first you would type here what after. For example, I want to SSH into your laptop from my part of Ukraine. So you have a real public static IP address. Real, yeah, because you pay additional 70 hryvnias monthly. And in a real life situation, I would type that static IP address here, but we are simulating this, yeah. And therefore here we need to type localhost. The IP address of the local host is always
10.0.2.
no localhost 127.
This.
Of course. And now, how do we show the number of the port? Flag, yeah, P, and now 4 fours, right? No, okay, P is not capital here, lowercase.
Yes.
And now let's check. Yes.
Yes.
See?
Yes. Yes.
Do you
I connect.
understand?
Yes,
Now
of
tell me
course.
one more time how it simulates a real life situation.
With net?
Yes, how does it simulate or how is it similar? It's very, very similar to a real life situation.
You must open a port.
Mm-hmm.
For example, 4444,
Mm-hmm.
and create external port,
Mm-hmm.
uh, 22, for example, with SSH. And after that,
It's internal port.
you
Internal.
internal internal port. And after that, you can SSH with command. You type SSH, your username,
Mm-hmm.
at, and your local host. But in a really situation,
In a real life situation.
yes, real life situation, you can type your public IP
Instead of the local
static.
host, my real public,
Instead,
yeah, our real public IP address static, yeah, but not
yeah.
CGNet. Yeah, and what is CGNet? It's
CDNet
like a lot of people have the
have
same
one.
the same public IP address, and they are connected to one bigger router somewhere there. Yeah, so
Yes, and you
they have one
can.
more. So it's one more obstacle. Yeah.
Mm-hmm,
Okay,
yes,
great. Now let's
and you
move a
type
file.
port.
Now let's move a file with net.
Okay, with net, you type CSP, yes,
Mm-hmm.
CSP Настя, and my local host. Um,
And what file do we move? What file do you want to move?
for example, I move
From
uh,
your Ubuntu machine to your Windows machine.
okay. 1 minute. Maybe, maybe in a lesson.
Let's create one more file here quickly
Okay.
with nano.
Nano, um, nano, oh my God, Alex.
Dot txt.
That's 16 and
And
Alex
now
dot
let's
text.
type something here.
Hello,
Mm-hmm.
I'm Alex.
Alex, not
Uh,
Lex.
Oi,
Mm-hmm.
Alex.
Yes. Control O.
Control O, enter Control X.
Yes.
And
And how do we see the whole path on Ubuntu? P,
BW.
P, present working directory.
What is it? P?
D, present
No,
working directory.
doesn't working directory.
Copy this.
Ансквирит сейчас. Настя.
It will not copy, yeah. Yes, and the
Он
name
нас.
of the file, was it a
Алекс.
capital letter or lowercase letter or uppercase?
Lower.
Lowercase.
Lower.
Okay.
txt
Hide this thing. Yes, and
space.
now we need to show where to move on Windows.
Mm-hmm.
Open one more command prompt. Yeah, not power. Yeah, okay. It's a Windows PowerShell. Yeah, but actually no difference. How do we see the contents of a folder or directory on Windows? Let's move it
Door.
inside lesson folder. Yes. No, it's there.
Uh,
It works. LS works on PowerShell. It's
what?
interesting. Usually, ls doesn't work on command prompt, but
Ah.
it works. See, it works with PowerShell.
Mhm.
It's a very useful discovery. Yeah.
Uh,
Okay.
can I
Now,
can I see all paths in
yes. Now you
PowerShell?
specify the whole path.
How can I see in PowerShell?
You see this. No need to do this because you see it's d.
Ah,
Yeah. You
no,
just
D
copy without greater than. Without greater
less.
than.
Okay,
Copy without greater than.
this.
Without greater than.
Without.
Less than, greater than. Yeah, now don't do anything. So tell the viewers what we have so far here.
We type command CSP.
It's how we move files, yeah?
Yes. After type your username, for example, my Ubuntu server, and my
Ubuntu desktop.
local host.
Right now, your
Yes,
operating system is not Ubuntu server, Ubuntu desktop, graphic user
Ubuntu desktop.
interface. Mm-hmm.
Yes, and local host or static IP address.
Yes,
And
in the real life, it would be a static IP address, but here it's a local host. Yeah.
yes,
Is
after
what
type
is local
out,
host one more time? It's when a computer is talking to
it's
itself.
IP
Yeah,
your
it's when a
computer.
machine is speaking to itself, right?
Yes.
Okay,
Uh,
but
it's called
you forgot to specify the number of the
port.
port, and it goes after SCP.
After recipe,
Yeah,
okay.
hyphen,
Perfect.
capital P, uppercase P. Yeah, and space after 4 fours. And now let's hope that everything will work. Enter.
Connection closed, it's network, yeah?
What's wrong here?
Maybe
You were
I
able
must.
to SSH.
And what it means?
What does it mean?
What
Okay,
does it mean?
SSH one more time.
Oh, SSH.
Mhm.
It's correct or not? Yes.
Yeah, now P hyphen P and the number of the port. But you are doing this in the wrong place, do you understand? You are inside your Ubuntu machine, but you should do this from Windows.
Ah,
Yes, and now exit. Exit,
exit.
type exit, yeah. Now exit your Ubuntu machine because right now you are inside your Windows machine. Do you understand?
Yes.
So you need to move. You need to move from inside your Windows machine, not from inside your
Okay.
Ubuntu machine. Do you understand?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Mm,
See,
This.
it takes a lot of practice. It's impossible. Theory here doesn't work. I hope you understand, right? No space. There is space between. There is one extra space. And now you see how important this is, yeah? Yes, see? It worked.
Yes, works.
Theory is dead. So those people who are watching our videos, if you think that you will watch and understand everything and remember everything, don't even try to do this, because you need to, if you want to become a real IT specialist, you need to do it yourself. And the more time you spend doing this, the better. Because watching isn't enough. Repeat after me. Watching isn't enough.
Watching isn't enough.
Watching isn't enough.
Watching isn't enough.
Yeah, we need to work and work very, very hard. And of course, we didn't have time for Django, just like I expected. And now tell the viewers that in our next lesson, we'll be working with Django.
In the next lesson, we will working
We'll
with
be working
net.
with Django.
We'll be
Tell me
working
one more
with
time, what is Django?
Django.
It's a very powerful backend framework. And I think it's in the future, because Python is getting more and more popular. I think in the future, Django will become the most popular backend framework. Now I think it's the second most popular. Yeah, but I think that in the future the situation will change. And actually, everything that we are doing is super important. This knowledge is super valuable. Yeah, but I told you that so far we have accomplished like 3% of everything that we need to learn. Just 3%. Can you imagine? 3. And therefore, I think that maybe we will not be able to do everything by November, then maybe December or maybe January even. Because you see how difficult this is.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, then that's all for today. And repeat after me one more time. Theory is dead. Theory is dead. What matters is practice.
Theory is dead.
Yes, absolutely dead. Okay, then that's all for today. See you on Monday. Have a wonderful and
Yes.
peaceful day. Bye
Thank you, the lesson. Bye.
for the lesson, man.